Good evening. It is the 3rd of December. It is 10 p.m. now, and this is just a video to reflect on last night's price action and a few things that we discussed during the Asian session. So what happened today is we actually got missed from our entry by 2 pips. So we had a desired level. So last night I discussed the fact that obviously I wouldn't be here at my desk to keep an eye on Euro US dollar or any other asset class that I normally trade. So what I did was I opted for setting a limit order in the market and actually allowing price to trade to those levels, and then maybe potentially fill us and allow us to be in that trade at those levels. Now, just a quick review. So this is what happened. So this is during the Asian session. Just take that away. So we kind of were watching the Asian session and we discussed a few things in here. But long story short, we ended up reaching the conclusion that we were kind of interested at anywhere between 1.2095, 1.2097, and then I ended up setting an entry at 1.2097, and I was expecting price to potentially rally to the upside above 1.2150. Now, so what I did was I was looking at price here, and then I set it, and then I went off to bed basically, because I had a few things that I needed to do in the morning, and I wouldn't be here to actually actively trade those sessions. But I knew there was high odds that price could retrace down to those levels and then potentially rally to the upside. So what happened during those trading hours? So this is the idea. We were looking for a long from 1.2097 up to 1.2150, and then price action came. So as you see, the Asian session here, the London Open, price rallies, retraces back down, 9:30-ish. This is where our first entry was missed by 2 pips. Now, me personally, I don't typically trade the London session. However, in this particular case, I would have been filled during the London session, and as you can see, price would have rallied with me, but I missed out on this trade by 2 pips, more or less. And then you look at the New York session here. We missed a potential trade in here for the retracement back down to this level here, but we wasn't available for this. So I knew I wouldn't obviously be available in the markets like I normally am every other day. So the reason why I opted for the limit order, but I wasn't filled and it wasn't available in the New York session as well. So that is pretty much what took place today. And yeah, sometimes that happens in trading. This is down to that whole human nature side of things. You might have the perfect recipe for a good trade, and then you just get missed on your entry by 2 pips. Can you be fucking vexed about that? Sorry for the language. Can you be vexed about that? Probably not. You know what I'm trying to say? You shouldn't be anyways, you know what I'm saying? Because you should take the lesson. Number one, there's always a lesson. Number two, take pride in the fact that your technicals actually worked out. So that is basically a sign of progress in your trading. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes you're not always going to get filled in, you know what I mean, and losing no money. So let's say you did get filled in and you lost money, you would look at this as a better position. You didn't get missed out on. So you missed on your entry. You didn't get filled out. And then price runs off without you. But look here on the other side, your technicals played out very, very nicely. Number two, you didn't lose money, nor did you make money. So it is where it is. That's about it for tonight, really. It's the 3rd of December. It's 10:06. Probably gonna go off now, do some commentary for the Asian session, and then after that, might watch the Asian session, might call it a night, go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, whatever the case. But that's it from me. This is Price Isolate. And once again, if you're interested in how we come to these decisions and how we make our decisions, then visit our website, www.priceisolate.com, or visit the Instagram at Price Isolate, and tell your friends about this YouTube channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Stop hiding us from your friends. Let them know. Do you get it? But yeah, that's about it, man. I'm probably gonna start making more videos to actually showcase some of my decision making. Now, if you haven't tuned in already, there is a video Probably one of my, I think the second video on how to select key levels, how I pick up my key levels, that kind of thing. So, that's it from me, man. I'm out.